can't eat those bubbles. This is my friend Cameron.
More than a friend, guys.
Not really.
Kill me.
Now Avery's trying to attack.
Half of that was just spit in my face.
And we broke McDonald's toys.
We love doing this.
Avery, I told you to stop eating the bubbles. I'm serious. We were just joking. I'm serious. Don't eat the bubbles.
Run over some toys.
Avery, stop eating the bubbles.
This is what happens to you when you. This is what happens to you when you disrespect
what happens when
me.
you take marijuana?
Do you hear me?
Don't take drugs, kids.
Stop.
Marijuana is bad for you. Marijuana. Oh yeah, this is kid friendly. I need this to be kid friendly channel. Spider-Man and Elsa videos are the best videos.
Got my eye.
Avery, I told you to stop eating the bubbles. I'm serious. I'm taking that bubbles from you. I'm taking the bubbles.
Elsa. Oh, I'm rinsing it out of my eye. Got it.
Avery, I'm gonna take those bubbles from you. Avery, 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 Avery! Avery, give me those bubbles. Give me those bubbles. Avery,
Oh, you're too short.
Avery, I'm not too short. How dare you say that? Avery, give me those. Avery, 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 Avery! You're gonna die eating those. Actually, they kind of. Wait, what? I just ate a bubble. I just ate a bubble, Avery. I'm just kidding, guys. That was a prank. Avery actually didn't eat real bubbles that are intoxicated. These are edible bubbles. They're called Lick-a-Bubble. You get them at vat19.com. They're really good. You put any kind of soda in them. Sponsored, by the way. No, we're not sponsored.
No one loves Scarlet.
Sponsor me, vat19. Sponsor me. Yeah, we're not sponsored. We're just kidding. But these are really good. Get them from vat19. They're awesome. You add any drink, it'll taste like that. Oh, crap. So, yeah. Tinkles.
Stay tuned for my next video, my dudes.